Hello everyone, I'm Hannah, the expert from K-Hair Factory. The holiday season is coming, but I know everyone wants to change their look to become more gorgeous. So today, I will introduce to you the Hosty hair products for Christmas and New Year 2025. These are all products that are extremely suitable for body, helping you shine confidently. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the hair color change that is popular in the 2025 holiday season. These outstanding hair colors not only make you shine on parties but also create a new feeling for the new years. In Europe, the change is more gentle and subtle. Europeans favor tones like blonde, dark brown, and natural color. This color appeals to children a lot because it creates a luxurious yet trendy look. Next, we will explore the hair extensions that are very popular during this year's holiday season. Hair extensions not only help you change your style quickly, but also are very easy to care for. Let's each apart these hair extensions and when is the ideal time to use them. Firstly is tape hair extensions. They are more permanent option for those who want to keep their hair long for a few weeks or a few months, and tape is a natural and a lightweight. They are especially great if you plan on traveling or attending a series of events during the holiday seasons. Secondly, about tip is heat generation. Heats the glue and attract the hair extension to the root cell on your real hair. This tape and your extension have the hair to stick firmly and last a long time, creating a natural soft feel. This type of hair extensions is often chosen for many important occasions where you want to hair really shine. Number 3 is nano ring. It uses tiny nano ring to attract the hair extensions to a real hair, making the hair extensions look extremely natural and not showing the connection. This is the ideal solution for you to maintain long, shiny hair without having to worry about removing it after its use. Number 4, it clips is hair extensions. This is a more popular and convenient choice. You can clip your hair in a few minutes and creating hairstyle instantly without damaging your real hair. Clip-ins are very suitable for occasions such as year-end party or meeting with friends. So I have shared with you the hottest hair productions for Christmas and New Year 2025. Hopefully, the tips will help you shine brighter in this holiday season. If you are looking for just the Vietnamese hair, please contact me via WhatsApp. Wish you a very happy and joyful holiday season. See you in the next video. Bye bye.